Hello. We are going to learn how to create a playlist and then get it later to learn something on YouTube. This is strictly on YouTube. And YouTube is a place where you can learn just about anything. So I'm going to show you how to gather that information, put it on a playlist so you can keep retrieving it whenever you want to study that subject. So let's choose. Um, I'm in YouTube right now, as you can see, and let's do uh, how to take care of senior cats. How's that? All right. So, as you can see, it's something that people do want to learn about it. And oh, there's Jackson Galaxy. I'm gonna have that's 5 years old, but I don't think having old ones is too bad of an idea. Now, when you're saving to a playlist, if you want to learn something that's current, maybe you want to learn calligraphy and you want to use what pens are current or brush lettering, there's different products that come up, within the last year. If you look at something maybe 5 years ago, it might be outdated as to the products they're using to do that thing. So in this case, in how to take care of senior cats, I don't think that's an issue. So let's go to the upper right. We're going to stop doing this to senior cats. Veterinary secrets. Okay, top 10 tips. That's a good one. Over on the far right, you see the three dots. Click on that and save to playlist. Now we're going to create the playlist, the first one that you click on. You can see that I've been doing calligraphy and brush lettering and watercolor. Click on new playlist, choose a title, and we're just going to call it Senior Cats, Senior Cat Care. And we're going to make it private because it's just for you and hit create. Now that has now made this video up here a part of my playlist that I can retrieve later. And you can tell that by going over here to the three dots. If you click on there and hit save playlist, you can see that this banner right here to the right is filled in. It's black. That means I've already saved it to my playlist. All right, click out of that. And let's go to this next one, another veterinarian. Everything you need to know about senior cat care, go over here. We're going to add that one, save to playlist. And you still have to click on senior cat care. You still have to add it to your playlist. And let's add a few more. I definitely want Jackson Galaxy, Mr. Cat. Save to playlist and senior cat care. And let's choose a couple of more. He has he has a number of them. Save to playlist and senior cat care. And oh, I like this lady. She's good. Um, this is another veterinarian. Save to playlist and senior cat care. And let's do one more. Save to playlist. There we go. Senior cat care. I do want to show you real quick. If you wanted something more updated, come over here, upper right hand corner to filters. And this will keep out the ones that are, over a year old. So let's say we just wanted something that was uploaded this year. Just click this year, and now you're going to get anything that has been uploaded. Oh, she's good too, Dr. Gaither. So let's add that one. Save to playlist. Senior cat care. All right. Now we want to retrieve it. We've gone off YouTube. We're coming back to it, and we want to see everything that we have saved, and we want to review the videos. So go over here to the far left, and this long list of items from home and down to your subscriptions. And here's right under history is playlists. This is where everything that you put into a playlist is going to be. Click on it, and suddenly all of these will come up. You can tell I just did watercolor, brush letter, calligraphy, and now here's my senior cat care. Double click on that so that it will now bring up the playlist. It'll bring up the first video. Oh, let me stop that. All right, over to the far right is a list of everything you've put in that playlist. You can continue to add to it at any time. It's not going to go anywhere until you delete the playlist. But let's say you've changed your mind and you didn't want this video. You click on it, and over here on the far right, click on those three dots and you can remove from the playlist. And then you're done. So here are the 5, 1, 2, 6 that I have added to this playlist. Once you click on it, there you go. All right. Playlists are great to have. You cannot organize the playlist within, YouTube doesn't allow you to do that. They want you to surf. They want you to look over everything. They don't really want you to be able to organize your subscriptions or your playlists. Not that I have found. So, but it will always be there for you if you want to put it on a loop so that you can just watch video after video after video. That would be great if you wanted to do a playlist on ocean views or ocean sounds and you just wanted it to continue. Go over here under the title of your playlist and you can see it says loop playlist and it'll just keep playing. All right. I hope that helps. I hope you have fun with the playlists. I think they're great to have. I have many of them myself. I don't know if they limit you. So far, I don't think they do, but thank you. Good luck.